Great day ahead, panelists, and to our advisor, Mr. Jaquel De La Torre. I myself, Queen Hile, as the owner.
I'm Judith Regudo as the manager.
I am Julia Milumuntad as a food director.
I am Rainiel Yagangi as a financial associate.
I am Micaela Ranyas as a packaging professional.
I am Neil Angelo Ilaw as the cook.
And we are the Group 1 Feel Flavor Innovation Corporation. And to start with our executive summary, I will discuss it to the panelists. The idea behind the innovation of making Sabastica rice was to create delicious product that is locally produced and catered to the Filipino market. The demand for locally made kakanin items will rise because of people realizing how diverse the Philippines is. Saba and kakanin offerings are. These two elements will stand out and appeal to a wide spectrum of palates made from organic sweet plantains, which are excellent alternative to mango. To continue with our introduction, to satisfy the people's craving nowadays, especially when there are limited ingredients. In these situations, people usually think of improvising or cooking with what is on hand. By creating a distinctive product that was affordable for all, entrepreneurs used to take a chance on risk. We have developed new twists of their own kakanin, which is the biko, and adding the second best fruit produce, the saba or sweet plantain, a kind of banana that can just grow in our country, Philippines.
Sabastica Rice Field Flavor Innovation was managed and operated by 7 entrepreneurs. Sabastica Rice was inspired by the popular Thai dessert, which is the known mango sticky rice. Entrepreneurs wanted to present new and innovative version of the well-known Thai dessert. Sabastica Rice mission was to offer a nutritious dessert made with premium ingredients at reasonable prices, and to guarantee every customer receives pleasant, reliable, and timely service. Furthermore, the vision is to develop an innovative dessert that is available locally and can be enjoyed by anyone. Entrepreneurs' goal is to market and recognize the unusual dessert and to become the well-known across the county.
SWOT analysis is trend. Customers would view our product as something new because there is currently a dessert of this kind offered in the market. Location of the business serves good quality of food, a strong connection among consumers, the foster support and loyalty, offering reasonable prices for high quality foods and services. Weakness, new in business industry, lack of financial support, limited management skills. Producers will need to produce less to sell a product at a given price due to higher costs on raw materials. Opportunities, big demand on the product, high chance to recognize the product with the use of different social media platforms, implementing marketing strategies to gain popularity and recognition. Threats, inadequate supply, increasing costs on raw products, sudden increase in production cost, which will result in a reduction in the quantity offered at a given price.
Legal status and ownership. The collaboration has been chosen by Field Flavor Innovation, Sabastica Rice to serve as its official legal entity. The product's great taste comes at a reasonable price. The company will be run by 7 proprietors. Each of them will have equal responsibility for finances, necessary materials, labors, and skills. Entrepreneurs will ensure that their product is not only delicious but also well presented and hygienic. Since this will increase consumer satisfactions and encourage repeat businesses to grow their firm to new heights, entrepreneurship are also prepared to provide a convenience store. Industry analysis. Food is necessary component of daily life. It makes a significant contribution to nutrition. Safe in food security. The food sectors include restaurant, eateries, fast food chains, food stool, catering services, school, cafeterias are such as part of the food industry. In addition, this dynamic food industry makes a substantial contribution to the economy with its wide range of cuisine, trends for eating out as a group of friends, activity, or a celebration occasion.
For the market analysis, we entrepreneurs' primary target market are the students, instructors, teachers at school because the product is easy to offer due to its number of people. Outside customers like friends, family, relatives are also included in the target market. Lastly, dessert lovers are also included because it is also easy to sell for sweet tooth like them. For the Sabah stickerized logo, it symbolizes how proud the Filipino entrepreneurs are of their own products. Together, the stickerized banana leaf and Sabah, the dessert's primary ingredients, makes up in one image. For buyers to form a favorable opinion of their product's appearance, businesses showcase all its highlights. The chosen color is the usual color of the product together with the background, which is kayumanggi or color brown. The background embellishes the true color of one Filipinos, which is kayumanggi, while the selected hues are the product's standard color. In order to promote and advertise our product, we will use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. By implementing this strategic social media campaign, our product may enhance its brand visibility, engage more customers, and boost sales. Offering fresh and nutritious product made from the Philippines that's suitable for people with health conscious and dietary limitation. Everyone can enjoy our product with affordable prices. Sabah sticky rice will cost 95 pesos per order.
Sabah Sticky Rice business product will be located at Soma Market Daang Hari Road Open Grounds in Bacoor, Cavite. Soma Market is a known food bazaar in Cavite with the on-go snacks and street food stalls. This is our stall design, this is the actual location, and this is our map location.
For the pricing, there are ingredients, quantity, unit cost, measurement, and actual cost of Sabah sticky rice.
Marketing plan. The development and implementation of marketing strategies enhances the potential of a business to become successful. That's why it is important for the business to have strategies and approaches that will highlight how the products being offered are going to serve excellently and will eventually stand out to the market. A distinctive and interesting offer can help the business stand out by being innovative and staying up to date with the current trends.
Overall marketing strategy, the capacity of a business to succeed depends on several aspects, including its product description, target market promotion, and the distribution means. Main target for Sabah sticky rice consists of students, instructors, relatives, and dessert lovers. When it comes to Filipino cuisine, the goal of items is to surpass customers' expectation in addition to satisfying them. Cost and taste of the products are our top priorities. They promise that the range of good services will be please every Filipino. Value proposition wins them our clients to confident support, and they search for ways to cut expenses so they can keep providing the most affordable products.
Introducing limited edition products and exceptional deals can draw attention and encourage repeat customers. People are usually eager to try new things, thus, this strategy pushes them to keep coming back. That's why entrepreneurs develop a distinct sauce flavor that can still complement the main ingredients, which is the Arnibal sauce, the peanut butter sauce, and the tablea sauce.
For management team and company structure, the people behind Sabah sticky rice are individuals with backgrounds in service-related fields and a variety of professional experience in various roles and organizations. After creating the product, Sabah sticky rice, the individuals in the organizational chart ultimately made the decision to launch a company named Phil Flavor Innovation and earn their certification as entrepreneurs. For the owner, I'm myself Queen. And for the manager, it's Miss Judith Regudo. Rainiel Alyagangi as the financial associate. Miss Julia Lumontad as a food director. Miss Micaela Ranias as the packaging professional. Miss Neil Angelo Ilaw as the cook. And Miss Justine Amil as the social media associate. I will be discussing a critical component of successful business plan. The operation plan, this segment often gets overlooked in the excitement of financial forecasts and marketing strategies, but it but it is the backbone that supports the entire business framework. The operational plan outlines how a company will transform its business ideas into reality, ensuring all aspects of production and service delivery are executed efficiently and effectively.
Product design and development. Entrepreneurs strive to offer the Sabah Sticky Rice product in reusable containers. To maintain the product quality, the packaging will have lids composed of solid and safe materials that provide a secure seal. Entrepreneurs aim to create eco-friendly, reusable containers that preserve the freshness and flavor of the sticky rice.
For target market, entrepreneurs' marketing efforts will focus on attracting customers who value nutrition and well-being in their eating choices by offering great meals and healthy alternatives. We have actual and potential. For potential, those who like eating dessert and people who are conscious about their health but love to eat dessert. For potential, those who like to eat new food in the market.
Product description. Sabah Sticky Rice provides an overall healthy choice for consumer since it's high in minerals and vitamins such as vitamin B, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and A. Its unique texture and flavor enhance meal experiences and making an excellent accompaniment. Sabah Sticky Rice is a natural wet-free alternative that's suitable for people with dietary limitation. Consumer may satisfy cravings while also enjoying the unique blend of flavor and wellness.
Development timeline. Market research and concept development will have a duration of 2 months. Prototyping and testing will also have a duration of 2 months. Staff training and soft launch is 1 month. And with all the preparation of the business will have a grand opening after 2 weeks.
For cost, rent in the area of the stall is 13,000 per month. Maintenance and build of stall is 8,000. Equipment and supplies is 10,000. Permits 11,000. Staff training and marketing is 18,000 per month.
For our development plans, we will have a market research and concept development, prototyping and testing, final design and build out store, staff training and soft launch, grand opening, and lastly, continuously improve and evaluate.
For challenges, difficulty in developing a brand identity for the business, difficulty in managing the inventory and securing a good ingredient. For risk, possible harm to the brand or business identity, difficulty in monitoring the supplier's quality of Sabah, having to buy higher price or ingredients and increasing the product price.
Financial projection. The 7 entrepreneurs will have an individual investment of 20,000 with a total of 140,000. The estimated daily sales, 1 order times 50 pieces will have a total of 4,750 pesos. The profit for 1 year is 609,920 pesos and for 2 years is 644,920 pesos. The payback income, capital investment in divide profit will have a total of 2.295 months. And the return of investments will be for 1 year is equals to 4.36% and for 2 years is equals to 4.60%.
Thank you for listening. Our group is now ready for suggestions and recommendations. Again, we are the Group 1 Phil Flavor Innovation Corporation.